Hi, my name is Katie and I am a social communication specialist at the Zembrodt Education Center. Today we are going to learn how to make sidewalk chalk paint. So the things you will need is 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, a mixing spoon, food coloring, and muffin tins or small containers for your sidewalk chalk paints. I'm going to first put in the cornstarch to the bowl and add the water. And then stir it up. You want to make sure to stir it up really well to make sure there's no clumps. Next, you're going to pour the cornstarch into your muffin tins or your small bowls. Then you're going to add whatever colors you want. Depending on how light or dark you would like your color, you can add more drops or less drops, and use your stirring spoon to stir each color really well. After you're done mixing up your colors, enjoy your sidewalk chalk paint outside. Be sure to show us your chalk paint drawings.